The Lectric XP Lite 2.0 has made a splash in the e-bike world with its affordability and impressive features. Now, for 2025, Lectric e-bikes is offering this popular model in a vibrant new color, Lectric Blue. But is this just a fresh coat of paint, or are there more updates to get excited about? Let's dive in. What's new in 2025? While the core components remain the same, the 2025 Lectric XP Lite 2.0 boasts some key refinements. Lectric Blue Colorway. This eye-catching new color adds a touch of personality to the already stylish e-bike. Improved hydraulic brakes. Lectric has listened to feedback and enhanced the braking system for even smoother and more responsive stopping power. Upgraded display. The LCD display is rumored to be getting a boost in resolution and functionality, making it easier to read and navigate. Potential for new accessories. Lectric is known for its wide range of accessories, and we might see some new additions specifically designed for the XP Lite 2.0 in 2025. Why choose the XP Lite 2.0? The Lectric XP Lite 2.0 stands out for its lightweight design, making it easy to handle and transport. Weighing in at just 49 pounds, it's one of the lightest folding e-bikes on the market. This, combined with its compact folded size, makes it ideal for those with limited storage space or who want to take their e-bike on public transportation. Beyond its portability, the XP Lite 2.0 offers a comfortable and capable ride. The powerful 300 watts motor, 819 watts peak, provides ample assistance for tackling hills and cruising at speeds up to 20 miles per hour. The long-range battery option allows for journeys up to 80 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for commuting and leisurely rides alike. Key features: lightweight and foldable design, easy to store and transport. Powerful motor, provides ample assistance for hills and cruising. Long-range battery option, extends your riding range significantly. Hydraulic disc brakes, ensures reliable stopping power. Color LCD display, provides clear and concise information. Affordable price point, makes e-bike ownership accessible to more people. Who is the XP Lite 2.0 for? The Lectric XP Lite 2.0 is a versatile e-bike that caters to a wide range of riders. It's a great choice for urban commuters. Its lightweight design and folding capabilities make it ideal for navigating city streets and public transportation. Recreational riders. The comfortable ride and long-range battery option are perfect for leisurely rides and exploring new areas. RV owners. Its compact size and portability make it a convenient option for taking on camping trips. Budget-conscious riders. The XP Lite 2.0 offers excellent value for money without compromising on features or performance.